Hello students. So today we are going to see about the skin structure and functions. Skin is the major organ in the body. It is the largest organ in the body. It has various functions. So let us discuss now. So skin has two layers, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is epidermis and inner is a dermis. Outer is epidermis and inner is the dermis. Epidermis again it is divided into five: stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, granulosum, spinosum, and germinative. So these are the five divisions of epidermis. Dermis is divided into two layers: superficial papillary layer and deeper reticular layer. These are the two divisions of dermis, right? So now let us move to the functions. What are the functions of skin? Skin has major functions. We will see each every function in detail after this slide. So these are the functions of skin. It has protective function, sensory function, storage function, synthetic function, regulation of body temperature, regulation of water and electrolyte balance, excretory function, absorptive function, and secretory function. Okay. So number one, when we are discussing the protective function, skin acts as a coverage for all the organs in the human body. So it protects the human body from bacteria, toxic substance, mechanical blow, and ultraviolet rays. So these are the protective function of the skin. It protects our internal organs from various problems. So you can see this slide. Everything we have given clearly. The passive and active functions of the skin. It has multiple actions and multiple functions. Let us discuss one by one. Next, number two is sensory function. What is a sensory function? Sensory function, it may have a sensation, sensory receptors for touch sensation, pain sensation, pressure sensation, temperature sensation. Everything it ascends to the higher centers. Everything it ascends to the higher centers. You can see this picture. In this picture, I have clearly explained what is the functions of the skin. Skin functions for a heat or cold. It senses the touch sensation, then it senses the pain, it senses the pressure. Okay, so these are like this. It has a multiple functions. It has a sensation for feather touch, cold, heat, pin, and pricking sensation. Everything skin has a more sensitive organ. Skin is the more sensitive organ. Okay, so it is number two is sensory function. Next, number three, storage function. You know what is a storage? Storage, skin stores various water, chloride, sugar, and blood also is stored in the cutaneous blood vessels of the skin, right? Next, number four is synthetic function. What is synthetic function? Vitamin D3, that is calciferol. Other name of vitamin D3 is a calciferol, is synthesized or produced by the skin when the skin is exposed to the UV light, ultraviolet light from the sun. Okay, so it is a very important vitamin. Vitamin D3 is a very important vitamin. Next, regulation of body temperature. Skin regulates the body temperature. When there is an excess heat loss in the body through skin, it is mechanism is through radiation, conduction, convection, and evaporation. That is, excess heat is lost from the body by the skin through radiation, conduction, convection, and evaporation. Then sweat glands also plays a major role in the skin loss. So in this picture you can see the mechanism of regulation of the skin body temperature. Regulation of the body temperature. When there is an increased temperature, Vessels may go for a vasodilation, then heat may released. When there is a external temperature cold, then body temperature is lower, then there may be a vasoconstriction. So there may be a reduction in the, or there may be a increase in the, or maintaining the body temperature. So this is the mechanism of maintenance of the body temperature by the skin. Next, regulation of water and electrolyte balance. Water and electrolyte balance is also regulated by skin by excreting excess water and salts through the sweat. It excretes the excess water in the body in the form of sweating. Next, skin also acts as a excretory function. It excretes the urea, salts, and fatty substances from the skin. So it is a excretory function of the skin. Next, skin also has some absorptive function. It absorbs some fat soluble vitamins, some ointments. It absorbs. That is called absorptive function. Next, skin has some secretory function. Skin secretes sweat through sweat glands and sebum through sebaceous glands. By secreting sweat, skin regulates body temperature and water balance. What is the function of sebum? Sebum keeps the skin smooth and moist. So this is about the function of the skin. So skin has various functions: protective function, sensory function, storage function, synthetic function, and regulation of body temperature. Next, it has a regulation of water and electrolyte balance, excretory function, absorptive function, and secretory function. So these are the main important functions of skin. It protects us from cold, heat, and radiation, protects from pressure and blows and abrasions, action of chemical substances, protection of invasion against microorganisms, protection from heat and water loss, defense against microorganisms, perspiration, that is cooling. Then it also has a sensory function, that is pressure, vibration, tactile, pain, and temperature sensory organs. Everything in this skin has. So skin has very vital organs and it is very important, and it is the largest organ in the human body, right? Hope you understand this lecture. Thank you.